Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PNTV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around there was a nice breakout today. So this will be very crude, but right here you had the price essentially forming what we'd call a flag pattern, an ascending triangle, whatever you want to call it. The point being there was a pattern here that formed. And then today, the price gapped up, and that was the start of the breakout. So there's no doubt about it. Nobody's going to argue against that this did break out. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this breakout? Is this breakout the start of something bigger, or is it one of these kind of fake breakouts where the price just actually doesn't have any genuine strength behind it? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that point is down here at the breakout level that was acting as resistance at 13 cents. And this is all, surrounding a foundational rule in charting. When levels of resistance are broken, you want to see it act as support. But even more so from what I would like to think is a commonsensical way of looking at things. But hopefully we can all agree on this logic. A breakout that is the start of something bigger is going to keep on getting bigger, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're stating, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a breakout is truly a breakout, it's not going to go back to where it was and it's going to make progress. So with that in mind, think about the 12-cent mark right here. Or excuse me, the 13-cent mark right here. Let's say the price goes down there and breaks below it, or worse yet, separates to the downside. At that point in time, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back to where you were, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say that something drastic happens, so by no means am I saying this will happen, but let's just pretend that the price pulls back and it comes all the way down there and then bounces around and then heads back up. So even after a very drastic pullback, what would you still have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down here. Previous lows right there. So you picture each one of those as stair steps, and you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. That's what a breakout is going to do. It's going to make progress over time, and I'm just defining and quantifying that statement as 13 cents in terms of making progress. So all in all, though, no doubt about it, great way to end the week. Now it just is a matter of, can the bulls get continuation of the move, or in other words, make progress? So yeah, let's see if the bulls can make progress next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.